guys, it's raining pretty hard and we saw that thunderstorm. It's raining pretty hard and the lights started flickering, so we turned off the lights. This is thunderstorm. Don't worry about all these stickers. It's pretty windy too. Let's go to the other window and see from that side. Look at all those raindrops on my window. This is where I charge my phone. Well, the plants are fine. There's some plants outside, but we don't have a garden. We don't have a flower garden though. And there's that sand thing that we forgot to close. It's raining pretty hard. Wait, I'm gonna zoom in. See that right there? You see that? That's my neighbors. And there's a package right there.
Hey, what the heck? Get better now.
There's all the rain pouring down. No idea, I guess. Okay, bye. See you on my next video.